this is Vince Lombardi from LombardiGuitar.com, and today I'm going to show you some of the classic licks from the Freebird solo. So let's get started. I'm not going to leave out the first riff. That is classic. Okay, so it goes like this. Okay, now this is pretty simple. I'm going to the 15th fret. I'm barring like if you're fingering an F chord, and I'm doing the. Okay, basically I'm going from the second string first back to the second, and my pick side is down, up, down, and then I'm going to bend the 17th fret or 18th fret. Sorry about that. 18th. Okay, now notice on the bend, when I do up, go right to that first string. And as I go, when I do this, you don't hear this. This is a very challenging technique where you got to learn to have the pick blocking the string as I go back down. Hear that? So it's not like this. Okay, so listen again. Right here, see? Then back here, you're back on the 17th fret with no. And then you're going to go back to the 15th. So. See? That one you do hear it go back down. It's not like. Now, the final one you're going to bend and have the finger underneath on the same fret on the first string. Notice how I do this. Okay, and then it just kind of lingers on this part. And then you're hearing this one. Okay, we're not going to get into that one today, but we'll go on to this one where this repetitive lick sounds like this with distortion. That one you do a slight bend. Notice I bend the third string, 17th fret, going right to the second string on the 15th fret, and you're gonna, it's a slight bend, and I'm gonna use the ring finger on the 18th fret, pull off. Here, bend to the second, go to the 18th fret, pull off. Watch my pick side. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. You want to make sure the picking is does the same. You're doing the same thing I'm doing, because that's the way you get your maximum speed. If you're going to go down up here, it's not going to work. Basically, like kind of like a sweep almost. I'm playing that, then I'm not lifting the pick at all. I'm doing an upstroke here. Really fast. Okay. Now you hear this one. This is, to me, is very classic. It's up, down, down, up, down, down on the pick. Up, pull off on the 4th string, then play on the 17th fret with the 3rd finger. Same thing here. It's when it goes, you're going to hear it come down here. Or actually, let me give you this one. This is common. It's all pull-offs. Bend, release, bend. Just when you're hearing the bend go back down, you're not. It's more. Then pull off. Then the 4th string, pull off. So I'm going to do it slow again. Bend. release, bend, pull off, pull off. It should be about like this. Now remember, it's very important that your long bends is in pitch with the key. So you want to make sure you're and the one. Otherwise, it's not going to sound good. Okay. So then later you hear this, kind of the same as what I showed you here. It's the same exact thing, it's just an octave lower. Now, if you notice, I'm using the minor pentatonic scale. If you're familiar with that, I will do a lesson on the minor pentatonic scale. So it's the notes within that. Later, you can hear some parts of solo kind of switch from major and minor, going to the major G. We're focusing mostly on the minor licks right today. So that's the same thing. Just think of it as what you did here, and then later, it's important when you get to this bend. You want to bend it a full step to that pitch. That part, I'm just going from the 5th to the 8th fret. Now, this bend is very hard. You got to bend 2 frets. You got to bend to this pitch. So if you're not good with bends yet, I'm going to have some lessons on how to bend as well. But you want to make sure your bend is reaching that note. Okay. Now, the last final repetitive lick is this one here. Where you're going. I hear that one with Jimmy Page. I hear that with Jeff Beck. A lot of people use that. I hear it with Ace Frehley. Very common with this. So it's bending the note. I'm barring. It's very similar to the one I taught you, except I'm going to the 1st string. Okay, so I'm going to bend the 3rd string, 17th fret. Then I'm going to hit the 1st string, the 15th fret, then I'm going to do this pull off on the 2nd string. Okay, that's 18 to 15. Okay, now watch with the pick. Very fast. So if you want to do this one with the right hand, and then pick down, then up, so I'm going down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Now, using these licks, if you're improvising, you're doing a jam, like over anything, even if you're playing Freebird, you can kind of do your own solo, just using these ideas. But if you think about it, they're just used all the time. I'm going to just show you some samples of how I use them sometimes. Okay, so you see them down here too. Okay, now I just noticed a few more I want to show you. When we're down here, you have this one too. This is a common Jimmy Page lick. Okay, now that one is extremely fast. I'm going from the 6th fret, pull off, to the 5th, pull off, to the 7th on the 2nd string. So these are both. If you look at my pick, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, so that's a common one. And then I heard this one too. I think this is good for you to know. That's right after this. Now, I use those a lot. Say I'm just Okay, now that sums it up. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.